Hello my fellow traders, happy Sunday to you all. Hope everyone is having an amazing weekend. It's your boy Gbpcad once again, and I'm here to bring you guys another banger analysis on the Gbpjpy pairs that we trade. As you guys know, every weekend I come on here to share light on a couple of Gbpjpy pairs that we trade alongside with the US dollar pairs on the trading days. But before I jump into this one, guys, if you are new to my channel or you are coming across my video for the first time, please guys, show some love by subscribing to the channel, and if you find this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and share with your friends that are new into the forex trading. And you can as well join our Telegram group where I come on trading days during the trading hours to share my trade ideas and my trade setups, so you can be part of the family and trade alongside with me. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's quickly jump into this one. I'm going to try and make this one as quick as possible. So as you guys know, last weekend when I come on to analyze GBPCD, this market was trading inside this daily demand zone here, and I've been holding my trade from here, and I said if the market opens, I expect this demand zone to be taken out, then move to the downside before we see a rally to the upside, probably to contact a 4 hours on supply zone before we see the next leg, something like this, before we see the next leg to the downside like so, and the market played out exactly as expected. Because if you remember, if you watch the previous video, you know that I drew my trend line from this week, from this to here like so, and this market already taken out this trend line, and now it's retesting the trend line, so I expect a move to the downside from here. But let's jump down to 4 hours time frame and break this one down more. So looking here on this chart, you know, when I was analyzing this chart earlier, looking at this chart, I find out that a new demand zone has been created on 4 hours here, which is now giving me concern, because this daily demand zone here, if you look at this imbalance, you see that this imbalance is very strong, like the move is very strong. So this is giving me a concern about this move. So what am I expecting to see on this one? Maybe when the markets open, it's possible for this market to continue dropping to here and take out this demand zone and move to the downside. But I don't expect that to happen, because I follow the storyline in price. Sorry guys, I follow the storyline in price, and for the time I have been tracking this pair, it doesn't move. You know, the movement is not always that nice, and the banks doesn't play the game the way it will favor the retail traders. So I expect for this move to do something like this, then one more leg to the upside before we see the bigger drop to the downside. It's possible for this market to start dropping from here, but this new demand zone here is giving me concern. You know, I'm a trader. I always like to follow the storyline. I'm not in this market to gamble. I don't like losing money in the market. It's not that I don't lose, but I always do everything possible to not to lose money, because in one trade I always risk 3% of my capital. So risking 3% of my capital on a trade that I'm seeing some error, something that can hold the market from moving to where I want it to go. So it's better for me to stay away till I see a clear direction before jumping into the market. And looking at this retail sentiment here, you can see that retail traders are currently aggressively adding to sell position. When this market was trading around here, retail traders add to their sell position on 60% selling. then banks push the market up. Now they are on 88%, and if you look what happened here previously when they were on 88%, bank dropped the price more. They get to their maxed out number, which is 97%. When they get to their maxed out number, what happened here? The market slowed down. This first 4 hours green candle came in, then followed by this is where retail traders that are aggressively adding to this buy here started closing off their buying position. They started closing off this buy, start acquiring short, believing that markets will keep on pushing to the downside, and banks started rallying the market to the upside as they are offloading their buy. So as they are offloading the buy from 97 to 91, price is pushing to the upside, and as they start aggressively adding so short. So now they are on 66, on 60 here, price pushed to 88. Now price is dropping, they are aggressively adding. So most every retail traders now are selling because this market contacted this 4 hour supply zone. So most people believe that once supply zone is contacted, the market will start dropping. But the bank does the opposite, because you need to know the difference between high institution supply with a normal minor supply zone. Some supply zone are created in the market to use to lower retail traders into doing the wrong thing, and some supply zone are actually created for banks to use to move price. And on this case here, for this new demand zone here to be created, I also suspect something here. I suspect to see a further move to the upside before the massive drop here, which is possible for this market to start dropping from here. But this is what I'm expecting from Gbpcad. Sorry guys, I'm trying my best to do this video to be very nice because I'm very tired. I traveled earlier today. I drove almost all day, so not been long that I just got in, and I want to quickly make this video for tomorrow morning. I'm actually making this video on Saturday night, so I'm going to upload it on the channel tomorrow, which is Sunday. That's why I said happy Sunday to you guys. So let me jump to Gbpcad. Gbpcad, this one, I'm actually trading this one. Like, I'm very interested in trading this one, because if you look at this daily time frame here, as you can see, my chart is well marked out, clean like always, and I already run this fib here. Let me go deep into this one a little bit. Okay, so if you look at what has been happening here, this market has been pushing up, then this demand zone got created here, market retested, pushed to the upside here, this drop happened, then it didn't get here again, this daily key level, because I like to mark out key levels before my supply and demand. Then this daily key level here held the market and create another demand zone here, price push to the upside, remove this minor supply zone that was created here, push to here. There is another monthly key level here and a weekly supply zone around here. I didn't plot it out, I had to remove it after this new supply zone got created here, so I had to remove it. So this market is now for the past, will I say, for the past 2 months now or more, this market has been around this area ranging. So what I'm seeing here is the buyers that are pushing this market because of this supply zone, that this weekly supply that was here that held this market before this new supply created. So the selling pressure cooled off, and this market has been inside here, trying to sell, doing this. The move is not really doing anything, showing me that there is no much sellers in here to push this price down, because overall what I've been seeing on the high institution positions for a few months now, they have been aggressively, adding to their sell position on AUD, but they have not been interested in buying AUD for quite some time now. They have not been interested in buying AUD. So what am I expecting to see? I'm expecting every AUD pairs to be weak starting from next week. Not all of them at the same time, but a few to be weak starting from next week. Something like Euro AUD, GBP AUD, AUDCD. I expect them to be very, very weak from next week. So I'm expecting this market, it's possible when markets open, for this market to start buying from here, and it's possible to push more down. Why I want it to push more down is because they are not yet maxed out here based on 4 hours, because I track my market from 4 hours. And if you look at this 4-hour time frame here, looking at this 4-hour time frame here right now, you will see that on this 4-hour time frame here, this market is resting on 4 hours demand zone here, which this 4-hour demand zone here has been taken out. If you look at this week candle here, so I expect this market to still drop to the downside. And looking at here, you see that they are not yet maxed out. They got to 80 here, aggressively 8, then the market pushed to the upside. They start adding to more buy, the bank dropped the price again, then they push here, made some profit. The retail traders, now they are dropping price again, they are on 74. So if this market push down, we see them on 90. Then when they get to 90 or 94, we start seeing a little sideways move here. They will start offloading this buying position, but if market will continue selling, that's when the bank will push the price to the upside. That's what I'm expecting on this one. And let me do this. I don't trade Euro AUD. I like a GBP AUD, but let me look at a Euro AUD in case if you guys want to trade it during the week, right? Because this one is most like is almost ready for the upside move. Looking at the 4 hours time frame here, you can see it's on 90. So as it's on 90, this market can open, we see a candle push to the upside, then drop a bit more to this demand zone. We see like 94 or 96 before the bigger move to the upside will continue. You get me? That's it for this. Which other pair am I going to? Okay, let me look at Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy, I made some money here, but I didn't jump in with a big lot size because I was holding Euro, US dollar, and S&P 500. If you look at here, when the market was here, I said that this market has been around this area for about 2 weeks, and it's not making any major move to the upside, which is showing us that there is probability for this weekly supply here to be taken out and this market to push to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. So after this doji candle, this rejection, this market closed as doji here, this bullish engulfing got created. This was where I opened a position with a small loss side. Then all this happened. So what am I expecting to see here? It's possible for this market to continue to go up a little bit, then come back and test this new demand zone that got created on the daily time frame, then push to the upside. I'm not interested in trading this one for now again, because I have other pairs that have a high probability, high opportunity to catch. And if you look here, this one has been crazy. It's not really doing anything. It's not following the movement, like the tracking is off. Because if you look, even when it was on 90, the aggressive to the opposite direction wasn't massive, because Japanese yen has been weak for about 3 years or more now. Those niggas are dead. Let's even look at the pair. Can you imagine? So there's nothing here for these guys. It's possible for this market to open and continue to the downside, but I suspect to see something like this. It's possible to see something like this. It's possible, but I don't know. I'm not doing anything on this one because the more you look is the less you see. And there's one other chart I would like to look at that I'm looking to trade as soon as the market open. After the first 4-hour candle, I'm going to open a position here, which is AUDCD. AUDCD has a nice opportunity. I'm not going to go deep into this one, but I already marked out my chart. I'm going to just open it and show you guys my view and close this one. Okay, look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame here, let's zoom in a bit. If you look at the daily time frame, you see that this market is on a downtrend. Then this whole downtrend here, this pullback here, contact this daily supply zone here, then drop a little, push to the upside, and has been moving this sideways here. If you look clearly here, where is my target? I expect this market to do something like this when the market open and push to here, probably take out this demand zone here if possible. But CD is not that stronger as well, so this market can get to here and consolidate and give us a move to the upside. I'm just looking for it to roll to the downside from here because it's already maxed out. Look at the 4 hours, guys. Look at the 4 hours. This one has it meets what I always love to see before I open position, because I like to get a snipe entry. Look, Fibonacci, the market is above 61% retracement. This is a supply zone. So this why I didn't put why I didn't mark this 61% retracement to 78% retracement is because this supply zone here is already working as it. So it's between our 61% retracement to 78% retracement, and the market is maxed out 94%, 90. You see, when it was on 90 here, retail traders start selling. When they start selling here, the market push to the upside and get to 94. Then now I'm expecting this market, maybe when it open, for something like this to happen, just for it to to wait for Gbpcad to complete. If Gbpcad is going to do the same thing, just like what I explained earlier. Gbpcad is currently on 88. Look at what happened here when the market was on 90. It pushed to the downside, then push up again, take out all the retail traders that open a sell position here, because when they start opening sell position here, their stop loss is probably above, a bit above this week. So they know where the retail traders put their stop loss, so they now push the market up, take out all their stop loss. Now they are ready to start dropping price to the downside. So this is where I would like to jump on my trade. So when the market open after the first 4-hour candle, no matter what it does, I will place my position, put my stop loss somewhere around here. That will be my first position. And if I see how the market plays here, this demand zone, I'm pretty sure it's going to take it out, because it's just one candle and the market is already maxed out. So guys, this is all for today episode. Hope you guys find this one helpful. I hope everyone have an amazing weekend. Have fun, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to join the Telegram group as well.